I always order from this shop. And this time, I tried their Boston cream pie. Hello, Mom Craver! Mahilig ba kayo sa mga cakes and pastries but still wanted to explore more options? Yung hindi kayo magsisisi because every bite is worth it. Catherine's Cakes and Pies made me crave again. Na-try ko na ang kanilang apple pie last month. This time, their Boston cream pie. Made with tender vanilla sponge cake filled with silky vanilla pastry cream. All covered completely with dark chocolate ganache and sprinkled the top with cocoa powder. This is unbelievably delicious. Some of us mabilis maumay when eating a cake. I feel you. But with Catherine's Cakes and Pies, is really different. The cake is moist and soft, while the chocolate ganache tastes dark and strong, which I love it. Ang sarap with coffee. Ang dami pang pagpipilian sa kanilang menu. You can check them here to order. Approve ko to for Christmas gift giving and holiday handa only here at Catherine's Cakes and Pies.